Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Charming Cherry. To all the people who have subscribed, you know me, welcome back. And to all the people who haven't, let me introduce myself. I'm Cherry. I'm doing my masters here in USA and I'm a skincare and makeup enthusiast. I love food, I love to cook, and I love to do some fun activities. I've done some videos already. Go check those videos. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. Without any further ado, let's get started into the video. So I have some interesting news to share with you all. So this is the month of March, the month of love. February is over and here is the month of March, which is my birthday month. Yay! I'm excited. So I'm excited for my birthday, and yeah, thank you for all your wishes. Thank you for all your blessings. I hope that all your blessings will be with me forever. So this video is all about the products that I've received from Sephora for my birthday. I've got like 3 or 4 options from Sephora website to choose for my birthday gift, but like you all know what I will choose. If you have seen my followers control my day, like my followers know what I love. They know that I love skincare. So yes, I got some skincare from Sephora. So this is the product that I've got. So this is the glow recipe. This has a toner and dew drops. So these are the 2 products that I got from Sephora. It has niacinamide in it and it brightens the skin. I'll use this for my birthday glow. And this is the glow recipes AHA and BHA toner. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It tightens the pores and tone your skin. And this product gives you that glow, which you all need. Shirt. So this is a perfect match to my shirt, pink color. So this opens like this. My first thoughts on this is like consistency is so smooth. It has a watermelon scent to it, a mild watermelon scent, and it is so moisturizing. And yeah, so this is how it gives that glow. Can you see the glow? It is like the glow from within. Like, I'm very excited to use this. Very excited. This is the glow recipes AHA plus BHA toner. AHAs and BHAs are exfoliants. This reduces the pores and improves the skin tone and the texture. It has all the good stuff in it. It does all good for your skin. And this is how the bottle opens. Seal I've not used. So I'm gonna put a few drops here. It has a watery consistency. This has a mild watermelon scent to it. So if you are a person who doesn't like scents in your skincare, then I don't think it's a right product for you, because it has a scent in it. It's not like too overpowering. So, but if you're a person who doesn't like scents, then this product is not for you. But it has some good stuff in it. And the dew drops, oh my gosh, they give you that glow, and yeah, it does all the good for your skin. And see you in my birthday glow up video. So that's it for today's video. Hope you love it and consider subscribing to my channel. Please do like, share, comment. Follow me on my Instagram. Stay tuned.